Hi, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn your regular conditioner into a very good deep conditioner for your 4C hair. To my old subscribers, thank you for returning back to watch once more. And if you're new in this space, my name is Marcelina. I welcome you in a special way. Join the family by tapping on your subscription button below, turn on it, your notification bell, and let's roll and take care of our natural hair. So guys, in today's video I'm using this regular conditioner by Movit. It's called Radiant, and I'll show you how I'm going to use it and add up some more oils inside and boost the deep conditioning effect of this product. So guys, how do you know that whatever you're using is deep conditioning your hair very well? A very good deep conditioner will give your hair that natural radiance, elasticity. When you deep condition your hair, it will shrink, and as you stretch it, it bounces right back. It will be soft enough and manageable. So that is how you can tell. It will not have split ends. That's when you can really say that this deep conditioner is working well. So to make this regular conditioner of mine a very good deep conditioner, I need to add some olive oil. You can see there I have extra virgin olive oil. I also have coconut oil. If you do have extra virgin coconut oil, it's okay, but this is what I could get my hands into, so this is what I'm going to use. I'm also going to add in honey into the regular conditioner, and then lastly but not least, I'm going to add my castor oil. So guys, let's get moving. So I'm going to add just enough conditioner into the bowl. Yeah, you just estimate what is enough for your hair depending on how much hair you have on your head. You can always estimate. Ladies, you know we are good in estimation, so we can't go wrong. Whatever I'm adding here, I'm just eyeballing. I'm not making any measurements. So I'm adding in some honey. It's about a teaspoon or so. And then olive oil. Then I'm also going to add some coconut oil. And lastly, I'm going to add some castor oil. After adding all these ingredients, guys, we can now mix our conditioner, and this will make a very good deep conditioner for your 4C hair. So guys, honey is a very good moisturizer. It will help to moisturize your hair very well. It will smoothen the shaft of your hair, and therefore it will reduce on split ends, and also it adds sheen to your hair. Coconut oil, olive oil, and castor oil are very good for healthy hair growth, as they help to strengthen your hair strands, also help to treat a number of conditions in the scalp such as dandruff. A healthy scalp equals to healthy hair, which does not break easily, and therefore you will be able to retain your hair length and grow your hair massively. Castor oil is also very good for increasing on hair follicles, and therefore your hair will thicken up. If you're having bald hairline or edges, This is a very good deep conditioner to use, as castor oil is very good in regenerating your bald hairline. So invest in these products. So this is how I'm going to use my deep conditioner today. You see my hair is a bit dry, so I'm going to start by spraying some water. This is just plain water. I just want to moisten my hair before I can add in my deep conditioner. Guys, it is not a taboo to deep condition your hair before you wash it with shampoo. What did I want to say? Shampoo. Oh no. You can always deep condition your hair even if you've not yet washed it. You can deep condition and then wash. And when you're washing your hair, you apply the shampoo in the scalp. You apply it in the scalp and you wash the scalp, and then you rinse through the hair. The biggest mistake that we always do is to apply the shampoo on the hair. Most of our shampoos in the market are not very good for natural hair, as they strip the hair completely of its moisture and leaving it very dry. So we apply here our deep conditioner. You can see how I'm applying on my twists. I'm going to do this on the twisted hair, and then later I will untwist my hair and detangle after the 45 minutes of deep conditioning it. I find this hack working very well for my hair, because every time I do that, I realize my hair does not break a lot. By the time I detangle it, it's very soft and my fingers just slide through it. The shading is very minimal. And what does it mean? It means our hair is growing since it's not breaking a lot. So guys, you can try that on your hair if it works for you as well. But if it doesn't, please go by what your hair wants. Ladies, you know how we do it. Your hair is your hair. Do what it loves. Don't copy and paste, but you can learn and try it out. If it works for you, very good. If it doesn't, try out something else that works for you. But this is a very good hack for natural hair. I've done it over and over and the results are good. So guys, let me allow you to watch. If you've not yet subscribed by now, do yourself a favor and do me a favor too. Do not pass by and don't subscribe. Support this channel, and we are growing, by the way guys. We are having 20 subscriptions now, and I don't take it for granted. That is beautiful. Thank you for supporting me, my lovelies, and I dedicate this video to all my returning subscribers. If you're a returning subscriber here, I dedicate. Guys, you know content is not easy, but this is how we do it. We get moving. So guys, you can look at my hair, how it is. It really absorbs. It absorbs, it takes it. So you don't have to get worried that maybe because you have not detangled your hair before, so the deep conditioner won't work. It will work. It will work. And let me know that you have been watching this video, or you are watching, by commenting down below. By the way, applying this deep conditioner can sometimes turn out to be a little bit messy, so be careful. If your hair is very long, you can always part it and you tie it up as you walk through. You can work section by section. I'm doing this because my hair is not very long, so I can handle it. And if you also fear to mess your body up, please tie up a towel around your neck area and protect yourself from getting messed up. Otherwise, this is it. So after this, I'm just going to cover up my hair with a shower cape and then allow my hair to sip in all the goodness of the deep conditioner, and then I will wash it off after about 45 minutes or 1 hour's time. I'll wash, and I hope by that time it will not be too late and I'll manage to come back and record the outcome of our deep conditioner. So guys, that is it. Let's tie up our hair and I'll be back after I've rinsed off the deep conditioner. And this is our hair after deep conditioning. Yeah, the hair feels soft. Guys, this deep conditioner tears really deep condition my hair. My hair feels very soft. All I have to do now is to just put it on a protective style, which will be another video. If you're interested in learning how to twist your own hair, comment below so that I can know and I do a video on how to twist your own hair. So guys, for now, goodbye.